Hello, happy people. Welcome to my channel, your channel. I'm very happy to introduce you to today's video. It's about international table setting. I am co-hosting a table setting with the host, the only one, my friend, BOK Media Life, bringing friends together to come to collab. I am so happy, grateful to be part of this huge, amazing collaboration. We have a friend that you may know or not know. Please watch our videos. We have That's a Blessed Life, Yoga with Goga, Anastasia Blessed, Elena Koya, Melissa's 5747, Rebecca Emily Prince, myself, Joyful Designs, Krista Creation 245, Holy's Creations. Join us and enjoy. Coucou la famille, j'espère que tout va bien. I want to summarize the reason of this video for my community people to understand. I will be speaking in French, a little bit of Lingala as well. I'm from Congo. Ezali collaboration to sali na ba camarade ya YouTuber to sali international table setting. Ezali ki mutu na mutu aye ndenge babongisaka mesa na ye apesi ba video. Alors eza na ba camarade o na tie bango awa. I ask them, please subscribe, abonnez-vous et pour esala ki Rebecca pe atindi badu na ba channel na bango. Alors I wanted to this setting table is for, I had a guest, I had a visitor, and then it was a great opportunity. Let me recall, and then this party will be in with our international table setting. Simple decoration. You know, decoration is you have to create, you have to make it your own signature. It's really important and fun as well to create something from your hand, and then you are adding up something that is not in the shop, something that will never be in someone's house, something that will represent you. So I'm setting up the table, simple, very simple, and then I am putting the platter down, and then I add, it is a gold platter, and then I put my plate on the top. I have a big plate because but now everybody are learning my traditional food online, and then the business is not businessing. So I use the ribbon from a bed set I bought long time ago. I always keep the ribbon. I will keep some tissue paper because I can do it with to create something. Alors, nazui ba ribbon na repassé et pona sa ango na ba fourchette pour ezalane. I will leave you to follow, to listen, to see, and please leave a comment, and then a like and share if you can, and also please subscribe and go have a look, go enjoy the video of other friends who are in this amazing international collaboration table setting, and then I will catch up with you in a minute. Voila, take the ribbon, cut the edge, make it like a pointy style. I put fire in the edge to stop the fabric to come out, and then I use it like a bow. When you do something, you just take your time. The more you are concentrate, the more the skills, the more ideas will come out from you. There is no wrong or right about decoration, really. That's for me. It's just how you want to do your thing, how you want the outcome to be. So it's about achievement, but your achievement is in you, because you can do it. It's just a little bit of passion, you doing something, and then the outcome will be great. So I'm putting 2 different water glass and juice, because we don't drink wine, and you give your guest a choice. Sometimes people will say, sometimes you don't know, your guest may ask for water or juice, and then you don't want to pour on the same glass, or you don't want to stand up when you are eating to get another glass to pour something else. So table number 2. Happy birthday, son. Today is my son's birthday, and then anniversaire à Corneille, 18 ans. You know what I do? I normally do is it's not about big things, small things that you would do to someone you love. It will mean a lot. And my children always appreciate my time. If we plan to go out to eat out, it's okay. But on the actual birthday, coming from school, I will do something just to please my family. It's therapy for me as well. Nazotia ba ballon, nazobongisa table, nazotia biloko mike ozotika mémoire na bana na yo. We are creating memories. Even you don't have children around, they are big. Even in the house, there are just 2 people, you with your boyfriend, you with your husband. It's not every day like this. It's not every day. But at least make every day special for you guys. We are living, and then we are collecting memories, bonding when people are together. So all the nice souvenirs, nice moments I had with my parents when I was back home, and then I just transfer it to my children, to be there for them, to do something sweet for them, because they are sweet to me. And then again, the birthday was not planned. What I do, things that I have in my house, my cupboard, is first for my children. The guests, they come after. I can't buy plate. I always say that I can't buy nice things just to put in the cupboard and wait for the visitor or wait for me to have a guest. No, I will bring it out for my children to enjoy it, to value them. When I have a visitor come along, why not? I will do it. But first, I want to please people in my house. I don't want them to have that memory. Oh, I remember this plate. I remember this gorgeous bowl. Mom was always bring it out when we have a visitor. Hey, no. C'est pas la première fois na lobango. This is I always repeating myself when I set up my table. Like my people in my house are precious. Yes, they are my number 1 priority. Yes, if I have a guest coming, okay, why not? Welcome. But I will treat them. I will value them because they are special to me. Please, anything you have home, don't keep it for special occasion. Bring it out, enjoy it. It come along with clothes, with jewelries, with shoes, anything. Make yourself pretty. Ya teka biloko yo sombaka eza mpona obima, eza mpo okende feti. Okolata yango, oza no propre na ndako. Okoki kobimisa basani na oyo obombelaka bapaya, oyo obombelaka babokilo. Bongo bato ovanda bango na ndako.
Hey, I'm back. Set up a table again. Table number 2. Continue. What I'm doing here, I collect yarn for my girls. They are so crafty art and crafty people. And then I'm just creating a bow around the cutlery. The color was so nice because the gold and mustard, it just brought up the table with yeah, I really enjoy it. So nazwi basinga oyo basalelaka badra o basalelaka batricot bana basalela yango na ba art na bango nazokanga yango na ba fourchette mbeli na lutu po esalaka couleur bien po bambeli eza en or, couleur eza doré, et puis na couleur oyo ya jaune boye esali table vraiment kitoko makasi. Et na aussi ça n'a pas kalaté na lingte vidéo za mulai so zambala sima mbala sika awa oza oye awa sika, like, comment, subscribe, and then I will appreciate you coming back again by clicking the notification bell. I will leave you here, you know. I will leave you here, and thank you very much. Be okay for this international collab. Mwah.